So we'll continue with question number 51. Morphine can be used in all of the following conditions except head injury. All are antiemetics except phenazocin. A patient is receiving linezolid therapy for 14 days. Which of the following should be monitored? So we'll monitor platelet. Toxicity of amphotericin B can be reduced by using liposomal preparations. Which of the following can cause acute pancreatitis? Didonosin. Reflex of which of the reflex which is not present in child at birth is answer B, symmetric tonic neck reflex. Most common cause of sepsis in India within 2 months is E. coli. So this is old question, old update. So check for the new update also. A case of jaundice with 50% of direct bilirubin and other LFT is normal. Diagnosis is Rotor syndrome. Infant of diabetic mother with weight 3.8 kg presented with seizures after 16 hours of birth. What is the probable cause? The answer is hypoglycemia. Electron microscope is diagnostic in Alport syndrome. Drug of choice in theophylline poisoning is phenobarbital. Which of the following drugs has been found to be useful in acute severe asthma? Magnesium sulfate. Parathyroid hormone increases bone resorption. Buspirone is an anxiolytic. Oxygen content in anesthetic mixture is 33%. Alcohol intake during pregnancy causes all except brachycephaly. Which teratogen causes deafness? So answer is isotretinoin. Digoxin toxicity is increased by all except hyperkalemia. So previously we had a question regarding digoxin toxicity. So the answer probably digoxin toxicity is probably increased by hypokalemia because of the sodium potassium ATPase binding channel. But previously they have given the answer as hyperkalemia, and now again increased by all except they are giving hyperkalemia. So please do check these two questions. Tylectomy literally means excision of a lump. Most common histological type of thyroid cancer is papillary type. Best test to diagnose gastroesophageal reflux disease and quantify acid output is 24 hours pH monitoring. Most common cause of gastric outlet obstruction in India is cancer of stomach. Most common infection after splenectomy is pneumococcal infection. Most common type of choledochal cyst is type 1. Best prognosis for carcinoma of pancreas is seen in region of periampullary. Colpotomy is done to treat pelvic abscess. So, parastomal hernia is most frequently seen in loop colostomy. Best investigation to diagnose piles is proctoscopy. Z-score is used in normal distribution curve. True about corneal transplant is specular microscopy is ideal for endothelial count. Retinoblastoma is associated with osteosarcoma. Topical mitomycin C is useful in the treatment of tracheal stenosis. Laser used in laryngeal work is carbon dioxide laser. Following can be visualized on bronchoscopy except subcarinal nodes. Down syndrome most commonly occurs due to answer is non-disjunction in maternal meiosis. Which of the following is not associated with increase in risk of seizures in future in a child with febrile seizures? So answer is early age of onset. Which of the milestone developed first? So answer is mirror play. At a 6-year-old child with IQ of 50, which of the following can the child do? Answer is identify colors. Which of the following is the best indicator of long-term nutritional status? Answer is height for age. Indicator of moderate to severe malnutrition is albumin 2.1 gram per deciliter. Craniotapes is seen in which of the following? Seen in the following except. So answer is thalassemia. So indicator to moderate to severe malnutrition Answer is albumin 2.1 gram per deciliter. So here the answer best indicator long-term height for age. This one albumin 2.1 gram per deciliter. Craniotapes is seen in all of the following except thalassemia. Anti-infective vitamin is vitamin A. Abnormalities of copper metabolism are all implicated in the pathogenesis of the following except abnormalities of copper metabolism are implicated in the pathogenesis of all of the following except. So answer is Cashan disease. A 2-year-old child is brought by parents with history of seizures and developmental delay. He has multiple hypopigmented macules over his back. This is the most probable diagnosis. Answer is tuberous sclerosis. Following can be used in treatment of myoclonic seizures except carbamazepine. Commonest cause of ureteric injury during surgical operation is hysterectomy. Bladder tumors mostly arise from mucosa. Answer is A, mucosa. Semen analysis of a young man who presented with primary infertility revealed low volume fructose negative ejaculation with azoospermia. Which of the following is most useful imaging modality to evaluate the cause of his infertility? Answer is transrectal ultrasound. Optical urethroplasty is done in congenital stricture of urethra. Most common testicular tumor in prepubertal adults is yolk sac tumor.